Hey guys, and welcome back to part 2 of my step-by-step makeup tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how I apply my cream contour. If you watched my first video, I used Born This Way matte foundation, and I'm going to be using the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer for my cream contour. This is in the shade Mocha, and it's pretty pigmented, so I'm just going to do 3 little dots there, 3 little dots there, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. And when you apply it, I don't know if you can tell, but this is my hollow right here. And I applied it above the hollow because I know that it's gonna blend down a little bit. Because if you just blend it here, it's gonna have a harsh line. And I don't love that harsh line. So I'm gonna apply it just a little bit above so that I have a room to blend it down and it's not gonna go down here. Now for the brush I'm going to be using to blend this out, this is my Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 brush. You really want to get a little dense brush to be able to really work out this product and not have it expand too much. So I start with my cheek and I'm just going to go create a line and just kind of keep on going on that. Then I go up, blend it up, like just kind of like push your cheek up a little bit. Boom, boom. And then once you've got that, once you're at this point, you're just gonna go in circular motions, kind of bring it down a little, and up. And just go around until it's blended to your liking. And of course, if you do blend it a little bit too low for your liking, you can just go right in with your beauty blender and just kind of diffuse that. Now for the jaw, same thing. I'm just going to make a line and circles, but I start to bring it, you see that line? I bring it down. Bring it under and just up that little curve. And I like to blend it out just so you don't have any line. Just kind of keep going down your neck. It's not going to really distribute too much product, but it'll help it not have a line. And then excess product, just blend it a little bit up. Like so. Now, for the forehead, this one is the easiest because you just gotta blend it into your hairline, kind of. Just trying to avoid your hair. So again, a line, and then circles. And now I don't really contour my nose with cream contour just because I like to do it with powder better. So I'm going to stop here, and this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching part 2. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And click on part 3 if you want to learn how I apply cream blush.